In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gradient back to top button in Wix. First, open your site in the Wix editor. Head to wix.com, sign in, and on your dashboard, click Edit Site. That takes you into the visual editor where we'll place and style your button. Next, let's add the button itself. Click Add, then Elements, and choose Button. Pick a style that fits your site. Simple or themed both work, and drag it onto the page where you want it to appear. With the button selected, click Settings to turn it into a working link. Choose Link, then select Page, and set it to top of page so it will return visitors to the very beginning of your page. Update the button label to something clear like back to top, so users instantly understand its purpose. Now we'll open the design tools. With the button still selected, click Design. Then choose Customize Design to access the full styling panel so we can change its background to a smooth gradient. In the Design panel, open Background Fills and click Customize Fill or the color swatch. Switch from a solid color to gradient. You'll see two color handles and a middle slider. Click the first color circle and pick your starting color, then click the second circle and pick your ending color. If you have a brand shade in mind, add a custom color to get an exact match. Use the center slider to control where the two colors blend. Placing it around the middle creates an even mix, but you can shift it for a stronger emphasis on one side. Choose your gradient style. Linear creates a straight blend, while radial fades from a center point outward. You can reposition the focal point by dragging the dot in the preview, flip the gradient to swap the color order, and adjust the angle or direction until it complements your layout. When you're happy, click Apply or Done to lock in the look. Let's make the text easy to read. Still in design, set the text color so it contrasts well against the gradient. White or a light gray usually works great. Adjust the font size and spacing so the label is legible on both desktop and mobile. Time to test. Click Preview the eye icon to see your button live inside the page. Confirm the gradient shows correctly and click the button to make sure it jumps you back to the top of the page as intended. If anything looks off, return to the editor, tweak the colors, angle, or text contrast, and preview again. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.